Hi buddies, welcome to Krishi Vlogs. No, sorry. This time it is Kitty Vlog. Do you want to know the reason? Then watch continuously. Are you planning for a world tour but due to pandemic it get postponed oftenly? Then are you want to explore around the globe in budget friendly way? Then answer for your question will be end in this video. Let's get started. Today Krishi is gonna take you to Global Village. Location link is in description. Please check kindly below. Entry ticket is only 15 dirhams. Food, shopping, entertainment, shows, ride which are all held here will be on your own cost that is not included in this ticket. Children, those who are below 3 can enjoy their free entry. We can book our ticket in online too, so please check the link below. On Monday and at other public holidays, only women and their families are allowed. Timings to be noted down. Sunday to Wednesday 4 pm to 12 am, Thursday and Friday 4 pm to 1 am, and on Saturday 2 pm to 11 pm. Global Village means of course celebration. Adding feather to the cap, this is their silver jubilee, that means 25th year. It is with full of endless surprise and fun for all the age groups. You can meet people and explore culture from all around the globe. It is the best place to celebrate festive season and best place to buy gifts too. There are totally 26 pavilions, each represents 26 countries, featuring with crowded bazaars, classic entertainment and delicacy from all over the world. So food lover and culture lovers, please don't miss the chance. Mesmerizing fireworks and endless surprise are in the row. Note down the date. First, they are celebrating light festivals from November 7 to November 14. And secondly, they are celebrating 49th UAE Day from December 1 to 4. These are the important dates. Please note down and plan accordingly. Next is Carnival area. You need to buy Wonder Pass to enjoy rides here. As Krishi is too small, so we didn't march towards this carnival. But people, you don't miss this extravaganza as there is many skill-based games, thrilling experience, freaking rides. Once you enjoyed this, please let us know by commenting below. Do you want to know the reason why I said Kitty Vlogs in the beginning? Here is the answer. From this moment onwards, Krishi and Kitty will guide us throughout the global village. In this floating market, you can taste the recipes of Thailand, Korea, Asia, Myanmar, Philippines and Indonesia. Relishing restaurant and cafe over 200 in number in a single street. Also a floating market with different experience, and don't miss out Indian Chat Bazaar. Now this is shopping time. How a cat lover can miss this cuteness, so see here. In Indian Pavilion, you can able to see variety of Jhumkas collection ranges from 2 dirhams onwards. We can do bargains as like the shops in the street of India. dance shopping time. Now we are in Ripples Believe It or Not. It's an auditorium with 6 uniquely themed galleries, including a mirror maze, boutique, and a museum. If you want to explore this, you need to buy a special ticket. About shows and events, for their 25th season, they plan totally 40,000 spectacular shows and special events. No need to astonish here, as you know already, Dubai means magnificent plus unbelievable things. You can expect shows from Urban Crew Flash Mob, Mission Speed Stunt Show, and Acrobatic Auto Angels. Guys, don't miss out this water dance area, the best place for doing TikTok videos. Many dance shows from many different countries will emphasize their tradition will be held in their pavilion itself. I am listing some countries here: Syria, Yemen, UAE, Turkey, Thailand, Pakistan, Europe, Africa, Palestine, Jordan, Morocco, Lebanon, Korea, Japan, Iran, India. One of such a dance show held in Europe is here. About safety, visitors must wear their face mask at all times. Physical distance should be maintained properly. Thermal cameras installed at all the entrance, and over 600 hand sanitizing stations are currently introduced. This is one more Insta spot which represents Silver Jubilee of our global village. To be precise, the popular destination which is unique to integrate destination for shopping, dining and entertainment. Don't miss out this opportunity and don't forget to comment your experience in the comment box. If you love our video, please subscribe our channel, press like button, hit bell icon for notification, comment below for our improvement and share to support us. Krishi's star rating to this global village is 4.8 out of 5. Enjoy exploring!